Hello and good morning. If you haven't already, check out Friday Night's Linux 18 for more information about this Chrome OS Flex. I found this intriguing. So according to Google, you can, repurpose an outdated PC or Mac by installing the new Chrome OS Flex. Now, I won't go into details. We talked about this extensively Friday night, but I thought, great if you have like an older Chromebook or an older PC or an older Mac. You can install this free operating system by Google, Linux-based, and you can revive your old machine. Well, from what I read, not so fast. This may not work on an outdated Chromebook. So, for example, let's say you had the older Chromebooks with 5-year support. Now the 5 years has expired. Installing this Chrome OS Flex, well, first of all, you may not even be able to install it, and or it may not work. Now, Google can certainly change their minds. Keep in mind that the new Chromebooks will give you 8-year support. That's not bad for a machine starting at $200. So I'll have a link for this below in the show notes. But let's say that you really don't want to mess with Linux base. Keep in mind that I was able to install, Windows 11 on a 10-year-old dual-core, outdated machine, and it works pretty good. There is an official hack on the Microsoft blog. Now, maybe you don't care for Microsoft or Windows anymore and wanted to try Linux-based, and you have a PC or Mac. Absolutely, give the Chrome OS Flex a try. I have 2 Chromebooks, and they run absolutely wonderfully. So if you guys try to install this, let me know. I am curious. But keep in mind right now that the Chrome OS Flex is not designed to revive out-of-date Chromebooks. For that, I would probably check the cloud-ready OS based on Chromium to revive the older Chromebook. Let me know what you guys think about all this.